Let's now shift focus to the world's export order. China, the United States and Germany, they remain locked at the top of the global export pyramid in 2025. And that is according to IMF's 2026 World Economic Outlook. But the headline numbers hide a fragile picture. This is a trade map redrawn by tariffs, not just competitiveness. Let's start with Washington and Beijing. Their trade war, now in its second year under Trump 2.0, has swung wildly from a peak two-way average tariff of 164% in April 2025 to a truce-driven 10% fentanyl-linked rate today. China exports to the United States more than 4 times what it imports, leaving Beijing with fewer targets for retaliation and pushing it towards non-tariff measures instead. A February 2026 Supreme Court ruling striking down the IEEPA tariff powers has added legal uncertainty on top of political volatility, which is a signal that markets are still pricing in. India's story is the sharper one. At $957 billion, it sits 8th globally, a whisker from the trillion-dollar mark. New Delhi isn't waiting quietly. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has set a formal $1 trillion export target, split roughly $530 billion in goods and $470 billion in services. That's backed by a 25,000 crore rupee export promotion mission. Goods exports are targeted to grow 17% and services 11% this financial year, with June figures already tracking on plan. Fresh FTAs, Oman live since June, the UK deal expected by mid-July, give exporters new doors precisely as US tariff uncertainty pushes global buyers to diversify sourcing. The bigger contest is structural. Ireland, Singapore and the Netherlands punch far above their population weight through services and re-export hubs. Meanwhile, middle powers like Vietnam and Mexico, they're absorbing supply chain shifts away from China. For India, cracking the top 5 means displacing UK, France or Germany, which is a leap requiring sustained double-digit growth, not just tariff-driven windfalls. The trillion-dollar mark is close, but the real test is what comes after.